Hi guys, I welcome you all. In this series, we are going to cover all the geometry questions which were in Rakesh Yadav 7300 book. So let's begin the series. So in first question, he asked, Bohanis has drawn an angle of measure 45 degrees 27 minutes. When he was asked to draw an angle 45 degrees, the percentage error in his drawing is. The ask is, what is the percentage error? Okay, so you can just directly take, he have to draw 45 but he has drawn 47 for 27 minutes, so this 27 is the error, so 27 by 45. Okay, but we have to convert this 27 in degrees as well. So first of all we have to divide it by 60, then after we have to divide it by 45, so we'll get the percentage error is 1%. Okay, next question. Here the exterior angle and interior angles are in a ratio 1:4, then the number of sides. You can directly tell it the number of interior angles n minus 2 into 180, number of exterior angles 360 by n, 180 by n something. So this n get cancelled here, and we can directly conclude that n is equal to 10. If we will solve, we will get. Okay, the third question is, the sides are in a ratio 3:4:6. The triangle is, so we generally know 3, 4, 5 are a right angle triangle, but here the sides are given as 3, 4 and 6. So it is 5. 5 is right angle triangle, so it is a 6, so it's greater than 5. So this angle is also might be greater than 90 degrees, so we can calculate it as directly opposite angle triangle. So we have to go in less possible, like we have to we have to understand that we have to use less time, so it depends upon our understanding how we use our techniques and all. So let's go for another question. The sides are the length of three sides are 6, 8, and so we can directly say that these are RAT, right angle triplets. Okay, so the length of the medians, it's greater side, the length of greater the median from his greater side. So this is a greater side, from here the length of the median he was asking. So we know the medians are always equal from the center, because a collection of all the medians is centroid, right? So from sorry, yes, centroid. So here from this side, you are having all the sides are equal, so we can calculate this. For bigger side is 10, so it's 5, 5, and this should also be 5. So the answer is 5. Next. Yes, ma'am. Next question. The circumradius of equilateral triangle is 10. Okay, so a by root 3 is equal to 10. You have to find in radius. Okay, so right, circumradius, so you can find, then a is equal to 10 root 3, and we want to find a by 2 root 3, so we can substitute this a here. So a by 2 root 3 you will cancel, you will find the answer. Okay, next question. Right, so see in this question he given here this thing, O and C are respectively the orthocenter and circumcenter of an equivalent triangle PQR, and PO are joined and produced to meet the side QR. So this is side QR. Okay, so at S, see here at S, so the angle given is PQ is equals to 60 degrees. So this PQ and S, so this is 60 degrees, and as this is the orthocenter, it's passing from orthocenter, right? So we can conclude this as a 90 degrees, and this is 60 degrees. So this might be how much? This might be total is 30 degrees, right? So this is 30 degrees. And here one more thing is given as the collection of all these things in क्या बोलते हैं perpendicular bisectors. So if we join here, form the circumcenter, and this is 130 degrees. So if this is 130, so we also know that circle rule, if this is 130, this should be the half of this, so this is 65. Okay, so this is 30 and this total is 65, so this might be 35 degrees. So we need to find out this itself, angle RPS, so this is 35 degrees, right? Next question, guys. So here he given us ABC is a triangle where AD is the internal bisector of angle A. So these both angles are equal and meeting the side BC at D. Okay, this is the D. So if BD is equals to 5 and BC is equal to 7.5, so this is 5 and the whole is 7.5, so this is 5 and this is 2.5. So we have to find out the AB, and AB is to AC, so we have to find this is to this. Okay, so we know the bisector property, like AB, this AB by AC is equals to BD by DC. Okay, so this is the bisector angle property. If you substitute everything in this, you will get the ratios AB is to AC is equal to B is to 1. So you have to learn, understand, means remember this formula, right? Next question, guys. So here I is the incenter of a triangle ABC. Incenter, okay, incenter is the bisector of these sides. The collection point of the bisector of all the sides is nothing but incenters. And one more thing, incenters divides this angle in two equal parts. Okay, so this two is the incenter property, and here ABC is equals to 60 degrees. So this ABC, so this is 60 degrees and this is 50 degrees given. So we have to find out the incenter, we have to find out BIC. So you can also conclude the direct formula 90 plus half and 90 plus half of angle A. You can directly take like half of this thing and half of this thing, which subtract from 180 degrees, because 180 minus these both summation will give this O angle. Okay, so you know this thing, right? So this is answer is 125. So next question, guys, ninth question, right? The in radius of a equilateral triangle of the length 3 centimeters. So okay, then the length of the each of its median is, okay, so we know median is nothing but its height. Okay, if we will take from this also, this will become height, this will also become height, because in equilateral triangle all sides are equal, so all medians are also equal as well. So you can conclude this root, we know the height of the equilateral triangle root 3 by 2a. So here what is given is, he given us the a is how much, root 3 given, a by 2 root 3